Hey, you! Let's destroy the world! Time to destroy! Ouch! You! You are gonna spread the world! Ah, I spread the world! Ha ha! Ha! Let's test it and how we're gonna be testing about this. Let's start about. Let's open it. Hey, you are good. Ouch! 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 You are dead. Breaking news! A giant titan called the mythical Philippines called the evil puppet White. The evil puppet White is the main character who destroys. Be safe and this. It's the Philippines. So the challenge is to survive. Let me run. Let's run. Ah! Let's get to the school. Let's get to the zoo. Let's get to the zoo. Let's get to the zoo. Ugh, I need back. What are we going? Back. I need to pee. What is this? What is this? Ouch. Oh, ouch. Sorry. I need to go to pee. Back, let's go to pee. Ouch! Oh, what is it? What is it? Okay, what is it? Okay, let me go. Hold girl. Ouch. Ah! Let me go. Ouch. Don't force me. I need to go. What is it? Oh! Guys, we need to team up. Let's go. Entering the portal. Where? Why? We are in space. Because what are gonna be doing? Let's go to the portal again. We. Ah, what is this? Is this a secret exit button? Yeah, let us see. Let's go. Come on. Guess who is it? I am the word evil puppet. Just want to fight. Ouch. Let's fight. Ouch. How dare you kicked at me. Let's fight. Pew. Ouch. You need to teleport to the back room. I don't want to teleport to the back room. Wait, I am here. Wait, he is on the back rooms. We did it. Yeah.